57 degrees. That is really hot. So here's my homemade cooling system that I rigged up to keep my new 24 terabyte hard drive cool. It was running very hot at 57 degrees Celsius, which is way too hot. So I got a shoe rack from IKEA for 99 baht. This is the top half. This actually goes in there. You hang your shoes on it like that. So I don't need that one. And I'll just use the bottom part. And I bought a fan just off Shopee for 85 baht online. A little USB fan. And then I used double-sided sticky tape to stick the fan to the rack, and it holds very strong. And then I used clip ties to hold down the hard drives to the rack, and it's pretty good. They're not going to go anywhere. And when I did a retest, it dropped the temperature down to 40 degrees. And that's after running a cluster test. So pushed it to its limits. And I put some rubber sticky feet on there. And just to give it a little more cushion. There you go. Oh, and I used the USB port off the 6 terabyte drive to power the fan. And it works great. Don't know what I'm going to do with this now. So I've just started the cluster test using HDDScan. And I've got CrystalDiskInfo running at the same time. The temperature right now is at 36 degrees. And let's let it run for 30 minutes and see what the temperature is. Inside, I've got the air conditioner on. It is 26.1 degrees inside. There's the setup. My computer. So I've let the test run for almost an hour. The indoor temperature, room temperature, is 26.5. It's a little warmer than when I started. And the temperature is 40 degrees. So my little cooling rig is working beautifully.
Hello, who's this?